opportunity to earn passive income. So while you're sleeping, you are guaranteed that you're currently making money, which is a very cool feature. Yeah, you can earn stable profits with professional asset management. Now, as compared to even traditional banks and other financial institutions, the Kucoin platform is the N platform is very transparent and gives you a fixed income, so you can easily choose between or navigate between each individual features that is available. Now, on the Kucoin platform, for users, you can get access to burning drop promotions. You can see get access to ETH 2.0 Polkadot options and also exchange options. So whichever one or whichever feature is comfortable for you, you can take advantage of this. Now there are double rewards. The double rewards is the Kucoin N that offers a pioneering staking platform that helps boost earnings through staking profits and POL mining rewards. Now there's also the high flexibility, which is these ones you see on my screen here, where you can see Hydra going for 47.15% APR. Now there's also USDT, which is a stable coin, 2.65%. That's what you'll be earning on a regular basis if you are to opt into that particular flexible returns feature. Then also there's the multiple staking choices available, so you can choose between a wide variety of assets that are currently being listed on this platform. Now, right here, I'm going to subscribe to one of these platform, one of these options. Since we you can see our assets here, we currently are not subscribed to any of these, so you can start subscribing and put your idle assets to use. Now, if you're to look into our wallets, our trading account, you see on our screen on our main account or our trade account that we currently have some idle assets available. So here you see we have about $153 worth of assets. Where KCS, we have about $100 worth of KCS. Then we have some Luna tokens, PLY tokens, and we also have some stable coins USDT, which you can put into use. So instead of you to leave your assets in your account or in your main account, you can be able to put them into use if you are not currently using them. So you need to transfer your asset from your trading account to your main account to do this. But if you have some funds in your main account already, there's no need for you to transfer these assets. So whichever one you want to do, if you are a user that prefers holding asset for a long period of time, then putting them in this Kucoin N is a good way to earn passive income. Is a good way to earn passive income. So you get to earn income from when the assets appreciate in value by holding them, and also you also get to earn by staking them in the Kucoin N platform. Now, here when you scroll down from web users, it's going to show you the stable options where you can see we have available balance of 16 USDT. So we have about six USDT in our trading account, while we also have about 10 in our main account. So the total we currently have is about 6 USDT. Now, all you need to do is just to click on subscribe. So when you click on subscribe, you'll be shown the flexible savings and the each individual one. Now this APR is the annual percentage that returns that you're meant to have within a yearly basis. It's currently calculated. You can see APR 2.5%, APR plus 0.15% APR after conversion of POL, proof of mining rewards. So these are the rewards you'll be getting. Now you want to look at the tenor that is currently available. This one is for flexible earnings. The flexible earnings allows you or gives you the opportunity to redeem your rewards anytime you want to redeem them. Now, the promotion type is the promotion for 2.65%. There's also the savings one, which is the normal one for 2.64%. Now, we want to subscribe to these USDT. All you need to do is to click on subscribe here. You click on subscribe for web users and you'll be shown your it's going to show load up for you to see the summary. So the cool thing here is that you can see your proposed estimated profits that you'll be making, or interest or your returns that you'll be getting on a regular basis. So you want to take note of the minimum required amount for each of these transactions. So you can see in our main account here we have about 10 USDT which we'll be using. The minimum account for this particular subscription is about 4 USDT. So let's say we want to go with using 5 USDT for a user. You can put as much as 1 million USDT. That's the maximum USDT being required. So you can see the profits, or the estimated profit or projected profit we'll be making is about 0.00034 USDT. Now imagine you're putting about 1 million USDT. You can times that by that value and you can see what you'll be making on a daily basis. So this is the estimated profit we're making on a daily basis. You want to multiply that by about a million, and you can see that you should be making as much as maybe as much as 300 to about 3,000 USDT, or even 30,000 USDT on a daily basis, free of charge. So the rules and subscription dates, subscribing these dates, you can see the accruing interest and profit distribution will be on a daily basis. POL fees, 8% deducted from POL profits. Then you can click on I have read terms and conditions. You click on I have read terms and conditions and click on subscribe, and your assets will be automatically subscribed into this USDT subscription, flexible savings subscription on Kucoin platform. So it says successful, successfully subscribed immediately. So you can decide to view details or wherever, or you can just scroll up to the top menu, top icon, where you can see, you'll be able to see your assets. You can click on view more to see your assets, and your assets should be able to display around this menu. If I should refresh the screen, you should be able to see it here. Now the good thing here is that you can access this through whichever option. You can access this with your mobile app and also with your desktop app. So in a couple of minutes I'm going to show mobile users how to also go through with that, and how to see, so you can also take note of this feature. Now, to get started on this, I'll be leaving a link in the description of our video below. You want to click on the link, it's going to take you directly to the KuCoin N platform, where you'll be required to register an account or log into your account for existing users. Now, you also get, and don't forget to subscribe and like our videos if you find it helpful, so you get notified too. Then you also click on, just click on like and subscribe to our videos. The link is going to be there. Now you also get up to $500 USDT bonus as a new user. So you can unlock this once you fulfill the basic requirements of registration, KYC, and you get trading fee discount. So these are the bonuses you get on KuCoin. Now, for users who are not too familiar with KuCoin, KuCoin is the world's top number one altcoin exchange. When it comes to the crypto space, is the number one altcoin exchange. It's currently at top five. You can see it's in top five in the crypto exchange as of in CoinMarketCap ratings. In the world, it's currently ranked at number 1 to 5. So you can see the liquidity, it has a very good liquidity. Volume being traded on 24-hour volume is about $2 million plus. You can see the number of coins listed and markets available are very high. Now you want to know that it's being rated as top five, that is among the top five exchanges in the world. And in the crypto space, there are about 309 as of recording. So you can take see a quick snapshot here is about 309 as of recording. So this gives you a good overview that KuCoin is a very, very reliable exchange to use. Now, going over to, once you're logged into your account, you want to access this option, you need to click on the end menu, top icon. Click on the end menu, you're going to see the KuCoin N, where you can see invest to earn stable profits through a professional asset manager. Now, this is automated, which is very, very cool, and it's a professional automated transaction. So your rewards will be deposited or directly transferred to your assets, to your wallet whenever. Now, when you go over to the KuCoin news menu, you can get access to latest. When you click on the news menu, latest KuCoin news icon, you can get access to latest APR promotions and more. So you can take advantage of these promotions, which is very cool. Now I just searched on percent. You can see what popped up. We have LSS 60D fixed promotion, where you can enjoy as much as 38% APR when you subscribe to these feature, these subscription. When you do this subscription, now you can also check out other listed ongoing promotions that are currently ongoing for KuCoin N Kucoin Earn programs. So you want to take advantage of these, and you want to be aware that there are lots of them currently ongoing. There's as much as 40% for fixed promotions, 60% for staking options, and more. Now, going over to, let's look in details this 60D fixed promotion activity, so you can see some of the basic requirements that will be needed for you to participate in this. Now, you can also register an account anytime and start getting access to these benefits. But while this is loading, I'm going to show you guys how to go through with this on your mobile devices, so you can easily earn on your mobile devices and push through with it. But before that, we have the LSS. It is loaded already. So you can see Kucoin will launch the LSS promotion at 10 on May 31st. The available products LSSD details can be found below. So here you can get a good overview of the benefits that will be available to users who participate in this promotion. So once you participate in this promotion, by holding these assets, you get the opportunity to be rewarded. You can see the staking option, 38%, soft cap for single users about 200, hard cap for other users about 50,000. You can see the rules. So please know that users from mainland China are not eligible. So you want to check your eligibility. So during the promotion period, all KuCoin users can go to the KuCoin Earn website and choose their desired project to stake. So this is one of the benefits you get by staking this. Now, this is a very cool feature. It's really a cool feature. So you get an opportunity to benefit from this. Now, let's go over to the web, to the mobile app, so you can easily navigate and use the KuCoin feature.
So I'm going to open my app here. Just open the app. There are loads of promotions currently ongoing on the KuCoin platform. Now, on your home page, you should see the end menu where you can click on it to get started. Now, click on it. It's going to take you directly to the KuCoin End page for mobile users. Now, once you get over here, it's going to load up. Once you get over here, you can check from the list of available or listed tokens. You can select whichever one you want to subscribe to. You can see their individual APRs. Now, as of recording, we have USDT. We can see LSS is going to lose less token. It's going to be doing 38%. USDD is currently doing up to 20%. Then near token is currently doing that 5.15%. Then BTC and ETH are currently looking cool too. You can search up these individual ones. We have BTC here. Bitcoin. You can click on BTC if you want to subscribe to BTC, which is a very good feature. Now, also, lots of informations here available. Now, we are ongoing and latest promotions you can check out. You can click on here. It's going to show you a whole list of promotions that are currently available. So you want to take advantage of these and benefit from these. You earn passive income just by holding these assets instead of leaving them in your wallet. And also, this is more like your traditional banking system where you have savings accounts, so you can easily save. But in this case, you get opportunity to get access to even more promotions as limited, because in the traditional space there are lots of limitations there. But in the crypto space, lots of projects are being listed and lots of bonuses are being brought forward. Then your stable coins can even earn new funds. Now, there are lots of promotions. You can click on these promotions to see the current ongoing ones for fixed promotions and flexible ones. Now, you want to take note that each of these ones, you can, for the flexible ones, you can easily pull out your assets anytime you need them. While for the fixed ones, you can see LSDD, most of them you need to stake your assets for a certain number of days, and mean you might not be able to pull, you won't be able to get access to withdraw those assets until the period is elapsed. So it's more like a locked staking feature. So that's some key steps you want to understand. Now, these are lots of subscriptions that are currently in progress. So some are going to end in about 29 days. You can see the days and timeline that they're going to end. So you want to be aware of this. Now, also, there's the bonus burning drop, and there's also the Ethereum 2.0. So you can check the burning drop for ongoing activity. As of recording, we have lots of them that are currently ended already. So you can see. Now, since we still have some about 5 USDT left, I'm going to go down. You can click on this home icon here, I think we just saw one that is currently doing about 100% on the Kucoin platform. We just saw one that is currently doing about 100%. So you can search up to see individual ones. So we have one for 60%. APR, then we have one for, I think we saw one, okay, this one Melos. So guys, you can see that Melos is currently giving out 101, guys, 101%. So this is massive. So you want to take advantage of this, get some of these tokens, and also for disclaimer purposes, you want to know that this video is meant for educational purposes only, so you want to be aware of that. Although there are no risks involved, but holding any of these assets, you want to make sure that it is an asset that you want to hold eventually. So that's that could be the only issues with it. But at the other side, the flexible or the Kucoin end gives you the opportunity to get cool income by being a subscriber. Now you can see the ongoing promotions we currently have, and you can see the total profit has not been done since we just activated it recently. So you can check out your history and more. So we're just going to add more to it. Here you also get access to close up. If you want to redeem this, you can click on redeem. If you want to redeem all, you are eligible to redeem all. So let's say we want to redeem just one. So I'm going to click on one. I want to redeem one USDT. Require to put your details, and that's it. So successfully, just redeem it successfully. So it depends on you to be credited directly to your main account. So this is how easy for you to subscribe and also redeem your asset without any issues. So it's safe. It's very safe to use. There's a risk free. It's safe for you to use, and it's a cool feature. Now I encourage you can put more of your assets into this and start benefiting, guys. We're going to present most of our assets. We currently have some amounts of funding now, main wallets which you can use for this. We have some USDC, we have some other tokens available. So guys, one love, is your boy Keys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. We do hope this tutorial has been helpful to you in boosting your income in crypto space and earning online. This is one cool feature you should take advantage of. Peace out, guys. One love, and see you in our future upload, guys. Bye.